What is SMT? The so-called SMT actually refers to the name of a technology. This technology is called surface mount technology, which can also be said to be surface mount technology. It is the most popular technology and process in the electronic assembly industry. It is a kind of non-pin or short-led surface mount components, referred to as SMC/SMD, Chinese called chip components, installed on the surface of the printed circuit board, or on the surface of other substrates, through ray flow soldering or dip soldering, etc. The circuit assembly and connection technology of soldering and assembly, in layman's terms, is the mobile phone, computer, tablet, and other electronic products we use every day. We will find that one or more various types of circuit boards will be installed, and this circuit board various components of different sizes and shapes will be pasted on the surface. So the so-called SMT is to mount these various components on the circuit board, and then fix the components on the circuit board by soldering solder paste. This technology, we call it SMT. Can you finally understand what is SMT?